What's going on, everybody? It's Ian here with Miller Garage, and as you can see, we have some exciting news to announce. So we've been kind of MIA for the past month, I think. I don't think we've posted in like a month. But as you probably have guessed, the newest addition to our family has arrived, and we want to. Yes, finally. So we've been a little bit busy between that and finishing the Airstream
that we're
sitting in on a bench because it's actually done. We'll talk about that later. A slight bit in this video, but all the way in some other videos. So, but back to the baby. So, we're going to welcome Findlay Asher Miller, our newest addition.
Yes.
Would you like to tell about when he was born?
About when he was born?
At least the date, and you don't have to give all the gory details.
I don't know, gory details are kind of awesome with the story. So he teased us for about a month, where I would have lots of contractions and then no baby, which was super frustrating. And so
we went once at least.
Yeah, we went once. We called a second time to the birth center.
Yeah.
Thinking surely this is it.
This is it.
And nothing.
And you think on number 5 that we would like have this down? And
No, not even a little bit.
Totally different.
So he decided to wake me up at like 1 something, 2 something. I don't remember. It's now been 5 weeks, so. But he woke me up with contractions, and I was like, well, this could be something. And then they kept going, so I woke him up. And then we're like, no, this is definitely something. We should call my parents. So we called them at like 3.
Yeah.
About 3 o'clock. By the time we got here at 4, we were rushing out as fast as a woman contracting every few minutes can rush.
Because it was getting intense. She
Yeah.
was, and like, she's always gotten pretty quick when it comes to labor and had a really short actual labor and pushing. So I can tell whenever it's like go
Getting
time,
close.
and it was like right there. So
Yeah. So we get in the car. He's driving like 90 down the highway with hazards on at 4 a.m. We pull up to the birth center. I take a second to walk inside because I was in the middle of contraction. And within 20 to 30 minutes being in the birth center, he was out of me. For those who've done the labor baby thing and understand the process, they checked me. They're like, okay, it's close. And then I sat up, my water broke, and then I had 2 more contractions and he was out.
Yep.
So we had been there for like 20 minutes. Gave birth standing up.
She's ridiculous and
Yeah.
can do anything. And clearly, as the mother of 5 boys, she is incredibly strong and capable.
Yeah. And we were back home by 10 a.m.
Yep.
Which was really weird because we'd never done a birth center birth.
Yeah.
But it was
'Cause
awesome.
Hospitals, you have to stay for like 24 hours at the minimum, and
Yeah. Yep,
so
24 hours.
it was nice to be able to come home and to be in our own house and have our boys around us and not be woken up constantly by nurses.
Poking at your uterus, going, are you
Checks.
shrinking? Yeah, that was great.
Yes.
So we came home and have been just doing life.
Yep.
Finished with the Airstream, adjusting as a family of 7.
Yep.
Which is crazy.
Because I've unfortunately been pretty much working on the Airstream since then. I've been obviously trying to help as much as I can, but you know, we agreed on this project knowing full well what it was going to look like, and so, but we knew it was going to be beneficial for our family.
Yes.
But we are just so excited to have him here. He's amazing.
So fun.
It's like you don't think that as you have more kids, it's like, how am I gonna respond to this? How am I gonna love them, more, and
All the things.
And it's just like you don't realize just how capable you are of loving. Your love just increases as you have more
Always
kids.
multiplies.
And, yeah.
It never divides.
Yeah.
Always multiplies.
And this is fun. It's we've loved every kid that we've brought into this world, and
hi, there are eyeballs.
love the experience and the whole. Not necessarily always the whole process of
The getting pregnant's
Pregnancy.
fun. Pregnancy not so much. I actually kind of like labor and delivery once we're like in it because the high after is baller.
Yes.
And pretty much from when they come home on, I love it.
Yeah.
I'm almost in year 8 with our first, and I've loved every moment.
Yeah. So we definitely love being parents. So
Yeah, for sure.
for any of you people out there wondering why on earth we would have 5 kids and we're overpopulating and all that crap, first of all,
Not true.
not true, and
Because they're freaking fantastic.
yeah, and
Get one. They're intoxicating.
yeah, you can have your own opinion, but I don't want to hear about it, so don't say anything in the comments below.
We're due and just
Yeah.
expecting you to pull back.
But you know, we love having a big family. This is what we've chosen. You know, we're more than capable of doing this and love doing it. So yeah, so this is
Findlay
Asher, and
Because
there will
Mama
be-
wanted to name one after herself.
yes.
I'm Lord Ashley.
Yes. So there will be many adventures to come with him, and we absolutely love him. So expect to see him in future videos, and we're going to keep this one relatively short and sweet. We'll do some B-roll of baby cuteness and maybe some photos and stuff like that.
And eventually we'll do one with all of the boys because they all love him
Yes.
and are obsessed.
Yeah, we'll do like a family update here in a little bit, but
But currently the other 4 are gone for the night, which is fantastic.
yes, which is why we're able to do this. It's been another challenge.
Our house has been kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Between the children and the laundry.
Yeah.
It's just not been
Yes.
doable.
So we appreciate everybody for being a part of our journey, a part of this channel.
Hanging with us on our little breaks.
Yes, because you gotta understand, obviously, because it's just crazy whenever you have all this going on.
Oh.
But like I said, the Airstream is technically done. We're sitting in it. I mean, a few little here's and there's that need to be finished up, but we're sitting in it. It looks amazing. You can see very little, which is intentional. So next week, we are going to show you everything. We're going to reveal it. We're going to go over all that we did. I know that I tried to shoot content while I was doing it, but I knew that I either could get it done or create videos and not get it done.
And
so
not get paid.
I chose to get it done, so I
It
am
was the
sorry
same
about
here.
that. But I do want to, like we did do some, so it's not like we don't have anything. But we will go over everything, because there's a lot of cool stuff that we did in here, some unique stuff, and I want to show you what I did. There's going to be a little bit of like how I did, like we have the 2 ACs and the electrical and all that stuff. I want to walk you through all that in case somebody's interested in, doing 2 ACs in theirs as well as some other stuff. So bear with us, that's coming. And then, just because this is over does not mean that the channel is over. So we have massive things coming in the future. So, I know that a lot of people came here for the Airstream, and we're going to have more Airstreams. We have one coming in November, so and then we have, hopefully more projects. We know we have, more projects. We have the Airstream, we got the Land Rover, and
big dreams.
Yes, huge dreams. So stay tuned for all that, and we are gonna go because he probably pooped or something.
Odds are.
But you guys have a great week, and we will see you next time.